tubahaye ikaze kuri BK Arena.
Thank you. Okay, so as they come, I think we can pretty much start. There's some things that they are already aware of, that so it's imperative that we can start the program. So yeah, the Rev Up Experience, very exciting event happening tomorrow at the BK Arena. Oh yes, it's a multi-purpose entertainment venue. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Very happy to be here. Sorry. So what to expect from the Rev Up Experience tomorrow is a world-class event with world-class artists in a world-class venue. Our aim here is to do what we always do, and that is bring something to the Rwandan public that is, almost unexpected. What we also want to do is create a...
Wait to see how tomorrow is going to be. I can't wait to give my energy on the stage. It's a good time to be alive, to be honest. God bless. God bless everyone. Bless. Thank you.
Amazing.
Ndumva nakomeza mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo abakunzi banjye ba hano biwacu banyumve neza. Yes, Shanboy Things. Tomorrow is a Shanboy Things. Ariko tuzaba turi kumwe n'abantu benshi cyane bagiye batandukanye. Kwanza ubwacu turimo hano, ubwacu energy zacu zirahera hano. Ni nazo zikonfirma abandi bantu bose bari gukenera kuza mu gitaramo. Gusa ikintu cya mbere numva nishimiye cyane no kuba ndi muri Rev Up. Ni by'agaciro cyane. So muri make ni ibingibi natwe twifuza kugeraho, ni ibingibi twahoze turwanira cyangwa twifuza gukora no mu minsi iri imbere. Twifuza gukora ibintu byiza bishimisha abanyarwanda, ibintu byiza bigera ku bakunzi bacu, and then bya bindi badusabaga buri munsi umunsi ku wundi bakabibona. So rero muri make ibyo tuzakoresha ntagendeye kuri ibyo batwitezaho gusa, ahubwo ibyo twebwe tuzakoresha. So nagatendo ni ibintu bidasanzwe. Abasanzwe babizi bazi uburyo Shanboy yategura. Ni Shanboy waje kwivanga na Kanye West, dukunda umuntu. So rero icyo nababwira cyo stage, Shanboy ntabwo ajya aregeza stage, nta bintu byo kuregeza. Bakunzi bacu bagiye batandukanye, aba diaspora nk'uko umuvandimwe yabivugaga, bari hano, bari muri vacation, bashaka kubona igitaramo cyiza, bakunda Davis T, babonye muri tour Europe ahantu hagiye hatandukanye. Bose mwese ndabararikira kugura tike, n'abataragura ntibagure kano kanya kuko ejo bishobora kugora. Nicyo kintu nababwira. Ariko muri make ikintu kizaba gihari ni umutima mwiza no kwishima turangiza umwaka, twumva ko achievement zacu twazigezeho. Muri make nicyo kintu kizaba gihari. Murakoze.
Stage ejo cyo nababwira cyo hip hop turi mu nzu, muri kubibona ko ejo tugomba kubereka ko aba rappers uyu mwaka ari uwacu. Icyo navuga kindi, ndashimira BK Arena na Intore Entertainment kuba barantekerejeho. Uyu niwo wari umwaka wanjye, umwaka nakoze cyane, nasohoyemo ibikorwa byinshi cyane, ndakeka byarageze ku bafana banjye nako biri hano. Ari abantu bahanze amaso ku munsi w'ejo, twese tuzaba turi kubereka ibitangaza. Impamvu mbyise ibitangaza nuko kuva kera abantu bose barabizi, twese dukora ibintu birenze, ariko habaho itandukaniro. Rero ejo n'itandukaniro, ni ibintu bitandukanye cyane n'abandi, kandi nanjye wa mbere kuko ndabona ndi gusoza umwaka nanatangira undi. Numva ari ibyo ngibyo.
Gushimira muri rusange, nkashimira Intore Entertainment ya Arena, n'igihugu cyacu muri rusange. Nta bintu byinshi navuga. Icyo nababwira nuko tomorrow is Fuego time. Tomorrow ni Fuego time. Yeah.
That excited you, or 3 things that you'd want to try out here in Kigali?
Well, there's been a lot of distance though, but like, I think Rwanda has really grown. You understand what I'm saying? And from the perspective of, again, politically, I've seen the growth of Rwanda from afar, and I respect everything that has been happening in Rwanda. I was with my guitarist in the car, and I was saying that one thing I love about Rwanda is the roads. I love the roads. The roads are really smooth. Well, the roads I passed through, I don't know. so, so I saw the road, and I was saying that the roads are really smooth, and I love this country because it's a country that stays away from a lot of controversy and everything, and it's really growing from in every perspective and every in every order that it's supposed to grow in. And I can't wait to actually do a lot of things here. You understand what I'm saying? Not only perform here, also invest here in any way I can. And that is really something I look forward to doing. A lot has changed in Rwanda. A lot has changed for me. I don't think I had this much tattoos when I first came to Rwanda. I don't think I had any tattoos though. Yeah. Well, like a lot has changed. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try some food, because me, I'm a kind of guy that once I used to something, I don't like to change what I'm used to. But like, I like to try some food, meet people. I don't think I have much time here, but I'll try to use the time that I have a little bit and do a lot of things. You get me? So at the end of the day, I'd like to come here not only to perform, to chill also. You understand? So I love Rwanda always. Blessings.
East African artist, but back in the days, you featured on one of Harmonize's smash hit, Single Again. Are you looking forward collaborating with Rwandan artists? Just let me know. Thank you.
yaje so rero nta cyapfuye twakomereje. So uri kumva nimbaje nyine tukaba turi kumwe muri concert, urumva ibyanjye ndabisoje. So kuri naho ikiri buza gukurikira ni imishinga turi buze kugirana, harimo wenda nizo umugarutse ku kindi waruvuzeho, nimba hari ibindi bikorwa cyangwa indi mishinga yakomeza nk'indirimbo n'ibindi bitandukanye. Nicyo natwe turi gushaka, natwe nicyo dukorera buri munsi ku wundi kugira ngo dutere imbere kandi natwe tushimisha abakunzi bacu. Icyo kintu koko abantu baracyifuza, ntago nakubeshya, abantu bifuza kubona indirimbo yanjye na Victony, bifuza kuba babona indirimbo yanjye na Ruga, bifuza kuba babona indirimbo yanjye na buri artist wese uri hano, Betray, Bruce the First, Bushali. So ariko focusinze kuri abo vuze, icyo nakubwira cyo ntago nzategwa abanyarwanda, birahari rwose. Murakoze.
Artists from here. Me, I respect music a lot, and for me to do anything with anybody from anywhere around the world, I have to like the song or like the person's energy. I'm a type of person that it doesn't take too much to connect with me. The personal flow, the conversations can lead to something great, and I'm very open to that. You understand? I don't block that. As long as the conversations are good and everything is going on well, great music comes out from the least things. You understand? So I'll give a very simple example with Harmonize. Me and Harmonize will be talking for over a year, even before he talked about putting me on the song. It's just the relationship that matters also for every artist. For me to actually connect with an artist and to actually put my energy on a song with an artist. So that all depends on how everything goes with everyone around here. You understand? Music is music. I respect music, and once the music is good, I'm diving in. I don't care where it's from, whether it's East Africa, North Africa, wherever. Music is music as long as it's good. Thank you so much.
ubuzima bwanjye busanzwe ntago ndakeka ntago ari ikibazo ahubwo mvuga ngo hose bizaba ari Fuego time. Dushonje duhishiwe tugura amatike tureke gutinda sibyo. Icyo nabizeza nuko byose bizagenda neza. Kivumbi n'umuvandimwe Big Papa ni umupapa mukuru. Nakabuza bizagenda neza nta kintu nkacitse amabere sibyo. Yeah, for sure.
Abakunzi bawe bazajye he?
Abakunzi banjye urumva deja dufite umushyitsi tugomba kumwemeza sibyo nkuko bisanzwe. Arena ni yacu tugomba kubikora. Mutana none zikongera zikababara sibyo. Bagomba kuza angaha muri Arena no kwa Kivumbi tukazajyayo nyuma tugiye kurya show. Yeah, for sure.
The last question is for Ruga. Welcome back, Rwanda.
You know, I'm a very laid back person. I'll see how it goes, and whatever happens from there, God will bless it. You understand what I'm saying? Thank you so much.
They are doing their job, but you see, most of the work is in you guys' hand, the media. There are some times where they might fall off, yeah, but I feel try to ignore the negative part and push the positive part. Don't be too quick to bring them down. You guys have to unite. See, it's not magic. It's not, there's no rocket science to it. You guys, you owe them a lot. See, you see them? You owe them. For them to become a star tomorrow is in your hand. You have to push them, you have to play their music. As a matter of fact, play their music more than the international artists. They are your major priority. And again, for the artists here, if you see that this guy is blowing up, support him. Reposts. That's the difference between Nigerians. Nigerians, we support each other. Even if the song is not good, so far it's Nigerian. We support. Do you understand? It's unity. Do you understand? So that's all.
Ejo no muri kino gitaramo gahunda ngo yo kumanukira ku mugozi yabihari nakaye gashya ufite niwo utari buzagasha abantu.
Did you get the first question?
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. First of all, I owe it all to God. You know, God has been amazing in my life this year. And my team, Blown Boy Entertainment. I love my team so much because even though we go through a lot together, but we always come out on top at the end of the day. Irrespective of what happens between, we understand that we're looking forward to create a massive brand. You feel me? I won't say it has been easy, but God has been faithful. And I want to thank Nigerians and the media in Nigeria for also supporting me. Because like my manager said, it's how we push our own. That's how we're going to be perceived outside your country. You understand what I'm saying? It's very important. How you push your own people is how you're going to be perceived outside the country. Forget about the hype, forget about everything. Once the music is good and the media is helping also, there's no way it's not gonna fly. You understand me? It just takes perseverance and you can't stop no matter what. My advice to the artists now, stopping is not an option, you understand? I feel like everyone here is young, you feel me? And there are artists that have even blown up in old age. Doesn't mean anything. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to keep going, keep pushing. You can never tell how it's gonna happen. And I don't know, man. I don't know how close you are to God or your Christianity life. I don't know. But your pastors is good. Man, Jesus is the truth, man. You have to understand that. You can't do anything on your own. If you think you're super talented, there are lots of super talented people that have gone down the drain, man. So it's only the grace of God that can keep you at that place that you want to take you there and keep you there. You understand? I'm a type of person, even when I face bad things that happen to me, I'm still a little bit calm because I feel like it's a staircase to where that high place that God wants to take me to. You feel me? So it's very important. Thank you so much. I had an amazing year and I'm going to have a greater 2025. Thanks.
Nagombaga kugakora imbere ho biteye ubwoba ashobora kuzaza akikubyaga iteka n'iteka y'ukora uhora nyine mu kazi nazo ntabwo wagutwara habe na gato. Ku kindi kibazo ngo nuku kumanukira mu mugozi udushya nkuko tomorrow is Fuego time. Yeah Gucci life, man.
To have quite a extensive lineup of amazing local artists, and then we have Avuze and Victony. And then also we have an after party afterwards, right here at the arena. So it's going to be a full day. I would suggest you come earlier, and we will put some advice on how to reach the venue in a quick and easy manner on our social media. So please keep your eye out for that. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us on social media and we'll help you with that.
Thank you. Kuri icyo kibazo cya live cyangwa playback, icyo kibazo tukigira kenshi, umuhanzi uko feelinga art ye nuko ashaka kuyiperforminga niko tugendera. So hari bamwe bazakora live hari n'abazakora playback. Okay, thank you.
Up here we have a quick photo op. Break the internet.